Hello friends, today I am going to discuss about methods of expressing concentration in pharmaceutical analysis. As you know, concentration expression plays a significant role in pharmaceutical analysis, especially in the case of quantitative analysis. So in this video, I am going to discuss about normality, molarity, molality, formal concentration, percent concentration and parts per million or parts per billion. So coming to the first one, that is normality. This video is sponsored by GPAT Discussion Center. Visit JDC for gpat.com for details about GPAT, NIPER, Drugs Inspector and Pharmacist exams. Use Dr. Pushpendra classes coupon code, that is PK25, and get 25% discount in all online test series of GDC for gpat.com. So what is normality? Normality is the number of gram equivalents present per liter of solution, and it is denoted by capital N. So formula for normality is number of gram equivalent divided by volume of solution in liter. Now coming to the term gram equivalent. So what is gram equivalent? Gram equivalent means molecular weight divided by acidity or basicity of acid or base. So this is the definition of normality. I have already discussed the normality with numerical problem in my dedicated video of normality. Link is given here, so you can watch that video for details. Now coming to the second concentration method, that is molarity. So molarity is defined as number of moles of solute dissolved in 1 liter of solution, and it is denoted by capital M. So formula for molarity will be number of moles of solute divided by volume of solution in liter. So this is the definition and the formula for molarity or molal concentration. Now coming to the next one, that is molal concentration or molality. So molality is less used term as compared to molarity and normality. So what is molality? Molality is the number of moles of solute present in 1 kg of solvent. Molality is divided by small m, and the formula for molality is number of moles of solute divided by mass of the solvent in kilogram. So these are the definition and the formula for molarity and molality. I have already discussed the details about molarity and molality with suitable numerical examples in my another video. Link is given here, so you can watch that video for details. Now coming to the next method of concentration expression, that is formal concentration or formality. So formal concentration or formality is the rarely used term as compared to other ones, and it is calculated on the basis of formula weight, which is formula weight divided by volume of the solution in liter, and it is denoted by capital F. Formula for formal concentration is equal to formula weight divided by volume of solution in liter. So this is the definition and the formula for formal concentration. I have already discussed the detail about formal concentration in my dedicated video of formality or formal concentration. Link is given here, so you can watch that video for details. Now coming to the percent concentration. Many times concentration is expressed in terms of percentage concentration. It is also known as parts per 100. So it can be expressed by three types. First one is percent weight by weight. Second one is percent volume by volume. And the third one is percent weight by volume. So formula for percent weight by weight is equal to weight of solute in gram divided by weight of solution in gram into 100. Next one is formula for volume by volume. So volume of solute in ml divided by volume of solution in ml into 100, that will be the formula for percent volume by volume. Next one is percent weight by volume. So formula for percent weight by volume is equal to weight of solute in gram divided by volume of solution in ml multiplied by 100. So this is the definition and the formula for percent concentration. I have already discussed the details about percent concentration with few numerical problems in my dedicated video of percentage concentration. Link is given here, so you can watch that video. Now coming to the next one, that is parts per notation, and under parts per notation we will discuss about parts per million and parts per billion. So parts per notation is frequently used term for a very dilute concentration, or we can use for impurities. So there are mainly two categories of parts per notation. First one is parts per million and the second one is parts per billion. So I have already discussed the details about parts per million and parts per billion in my dedicated video of parts per notation. So this is the details about methods of expressing concentration. Thank you.